YouTube SEO's changed forever. In this video, I'm going to tell you you can use ChatGPT to help with your YouTube SEO. Let's start with the first one, which is asking ChatGPT to write your video script. For example, ask it to write a video script on how to cook a recipe. Of course, this can be used for anything, but I'm using a cooking channel for this example. Let's receive your time. However, you need to fact check it because ChatGPT is not 100% accurate. Next, there's asking ChatGPT for titles. Let's use the cooking channel again for example. So ask ChatGPT for a title for a certain recipe, and it comes up captures titles with the recipe in the title. The next one is to ask ChatGPT to write you a video description for your video. So just ask it to write a video description about how to cook a recipe, and it will write a description for you. Then just copy and paste it into your video description box. Next is asking ChatGPT to write your video tags separated by commas. Then just copy and paste them into the video tag box, and then you're done. But you're not done watching these videos yet, because I have a next one for you. So this video on the screen now, what I have, you can ranking search on YouTube. So go ahead and watch that, and I'll see you there.